My name is Vanilla Cosplay, and today I'm going to show you how I made the fin-tastic gloves for my Hanon cosplay from Mermaid Melody. Let's dive in. For the gloves, we'll be using McCall's M7397 in the view of H. Since we need the gloves to be stretchy, I'm going to use Milliskin spandex, which has a 4-way stretch. This material is very slippery, so be sure to have your pattern pinned to the fabric good before cutting it out. Once the fabric has been cut, place the right sides together and pin each glove with your wonder clips. Let's get to sewing. Make sure you're using a universal ballpoint needle and elastic thread. I highly recommend using Eloflex thread. Once the gloves are stitched together, try them on and make sure they fit just right. Be sure to clip away the excess fabric. Turn your gloves right side out and admire your handiwork. Once we've hemmed our gloves, we're going to begin the ruffle saga. Start by cutting out 2 pieces from your matte satin. I'm using the leftover fabric from Hanon's bodice and skirt so everything will match perfectly. Next, cut 2 pieces of your shiny performance spandex for your upper ruffles. Pin the right side of your ruffles together. Time to get to stitching. Now repeat everything we just did for your shiny performance spandex. Make your gathering stitches. Time to add some horsehair braid to give those ruffles that extra poof. Repeat what we just did for the matte satin ruffles. Gather your ruffles and stitch both layers together. Stitch the ruffles to your glove. Time for the final part, hand stitching the leftover dyed pearls. And presto! Hanon's gloves are done. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and remember to always believe in love. Bye!